Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the video settings on the Manga app application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the My Page section at the bottom of the screen and go to the Settings section on the upper right corner of the screen and find it the Video Settings option. And here you can choose three options: display static thumbnails by default, or only play video thumbnails when connected to Wi-Fi, or play video thumbnails by default. And just choose one and tap to the white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.